Are you ready for a super cool, super fun adventure with me, Miss Julie?
Yay!
Well, then I have the perfect surprise for you. Today, we are going to the farm in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Old McDonald likes to dance, E-I-E-I-O. Yeah, he likes to boogie down at the rodeo with a great big kick. Yeah! And a turn around. Woo! And a clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Jump on the ground. Jump! Here we go! Old McDonald likes to dance, E-I-E-I-O. Old McDonald has a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he has a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old McDonald has a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old McDonald has a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he has a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old McDonald has a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old McDonald likes to dance, E-I-E-I-O. Yeah, he likes to boogie down at the rodeo with a great big kick. Yeah! And a turn around. Woo! And clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Jump on the ground. Jump! Here we go! Old McDonald likes to dance, E-I-E-I-O. Yeah, he likes to boogie down at the rodeo.
Rhyme time, everyone, get ready to have some fun. Rhyme time, everyone, get ready to rhyme. Hey, friends, it's me, Lumi. Who's ready to rhyme with me? Yay! If these words rhyme, shout yes. Ready? Steady. Let's rhyme. Pig, wig. Do pig and wig rhyme? Yes! Yes! Pig and wig have the same ending sound. The pig in a wig dance a jig. A pig in a wig dance a jig. The pig in a wig dance a jig. Hey, that rhymes. Okay, next up. Do cat and car rhyme? Cat, car. No! You're right! Cat and car do not rhyme because they don't have the same ending sound. However, they do both start with the k or the letter C. Okay, who's ready for the next challenge? Yay! Do dog and frog rhyme? Dog, frog. Yeah! Yes! Dog and frog rhyme. A dog and a frog dance on a log. A dog and a frog danced on a log. A dog and a frog danced on a log. Hey, that rhymes. A pig in a wig dance a jig. A pig in a wig dance a jig. A pig in a wig dance a jig. Hey, that rhymes. Rhyme time, everyone. Get ready to have some fun. Rhyme time, everyone. Yes, we
Moo. 3, 4, shut the barn door. 5, 6, count the chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, line them straight. 9, 10, do it again. 1, 2, the cow says moo. 3, 4, shut the barn door. 5, 6, count the chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, line them straight. 9, 10, a great big hen. 3 little chickadees about to hatch. 1, 2, 3 chickadees. It is time to turn the latch. 1, 2, 3 chickadees. It is time to crack and hatch. Oh, hi, chickadee. 1, 2, 3 chickadees. Friends, look at the little chickadee babies.
Hi. Hey, how's it going? I'm good. Hey, do you guys know where Mom is? No, let's go find her.
Off they go, the little chickadees.
Where is my mom?
Let's make a pattern together. Cow, cow, horse, horse. Cow, cow, horse, horse. Yeah. Okay, last one. Cat, dog, cat, dog, cat, potato. Just kidding. Let's try that one more time. Cat, dog, cat, dog, cat, dog. We did it, we did it, we did it. Hey, hey, we did it, we did it. We can make a pattern. Well, you know I love my ABCs. I sing them every day. So come on, friends, and sing with me. I wanna hear you say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yeah, we know our ABCs. Come on, friends, and dance with me. Jump 4 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then turn your body round. Woo! Jump 4 times to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And stomp your feet on the ground. Well, you know I love my ABCs. I sing them every day. So come on, friends, and sing with me. I wanna hear you say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yeah, we know our ABCs. Come on, friends, and dance with me. Yeah, we know our ABCs. Come on, friends, and dance with me.
I see 3 animals. A pig, a horse, and a chicken. Which animal starts with the P sound? Is it horse? Horse. No. Can't be horse. Is it chicken? Chicken. No. Definitely not. Is it pig? Pig. Pig. Yes! Yes, pig starts with a p sound. We did it! We found the letter sound, my friends. P is for pig. Let's celebrate. Do 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 boo 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 do 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 boo.
And now, stay tuned for a special broadcast of Super Cute Baby Lamb. These are lamb. They're so cute. Aww. Did you know that a lamb actually becomes a sheep at their first birthday? Happy birthday to you. Did you also know that lamb are known to have excellent memories? And they actually make friends with other lamb. Hey, lamb, I want to be your friend.
Sure, Miss Julie.
Which side has the most sheep? Let's count them. This side has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sheep. And this side has 1, 2, 3, 4 sheep. That means that this side has the most sheep because 8 is greater than 4. I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka rocket, chicka boom. Oh yeah. One more time. Country style. I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka rocket, chicka boom. Yeehaw. Giddy up. One more time. Baby style.
I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka rocket, chicka boom. Wah wah, gaga. One more time, robot style. I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka rocket, chicka boom. Oh yeah. No more times. We're all done. Let's take a nap. Take a nap.
Hi, friends. Are you ready to play a memory game with me? Okay, memory games are so much fun. What we have here are 6 matching memory cards. So that means we have to remember exactly where each matching pair is located. So here I see pig, horse, turkey. And what we're gonna do now is memorize where they are. I'll give you 5 seconds. Do, 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 do. All right, now we're gonna flip these cards over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's try to remember exactly where each matching pair was located. I'll start right here. Horse! Friends, can you remember where the 2 matching horse cards were located? Is it here? No, that's a turkey. Gobble, gobble. Is it here? Let's find out. Yes, we did it. We found the matching horse pair. Okay, let's try again. How about we start right here with this middle card? We've got a turkey. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Do you remember where the other turkey card was located? You're right here. Turkey. Okay, so looking at these cards, it's kind of easy to figure out where the next two matching pairs are located, right? Can you remember what animal is under this last card? Oink, oink, oink. You're right, it's a pig. Pig. So now we have matching pig cards, matching turkey cards, and matching horse cards. Only one thing left to do.
30-second dance party.
Lola, Gail, we see you behind the barn. Come on out. Friends, I know a very fun song to sing about Lola and Gail. Would you like to sing it with me?
Yay!
Okay. One part of the song is in Español or Spanish for Lola, and another part of the song is in English for Gail. Get ready to sing and dance. In Español, since Lola speaks Spanish. La vaca Lola, mueve la cabeza y mueve la cola. La vaca Lola, mueve la cabeza y mueve la cola y hace moo. She says moo. The cow named Gail, shakes her head and wags her tail. The cow named Gail, shakes her head and wags her tail. And she says moo. La vaca Lola, mueve la cabeza y mueve la cola. La vaca Lola, mueve la cabeza y mueve la cola y hace moo. We are going to be making apple donuts. Yum! And we are using hazelnut chocolate spread and sprinkles. Okay, now let's get our apple slice ready. Okay, now remember, anytime we're using even a kid-friendly knife, we really want to be doing it with a grown-up or some supervision. So let's go ahead and get to work. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Okay, now to make it look like a donut, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little thing and pop a hole right in the middle. And now I have an apple with a nice ring in the middle. And now we're gonna put on our chocolate hazelnut spread. This is about to be delicious. Okay. Yum. Okay, and then once we are done putting our chocolate hazelnut spread on, who can remember what we're gonna put on the donut next? Yes, sprinkles, my favorite. Okay, it's not a donut without sprinkles, right? Okay, and now we are going to sprinkle on the sprinkles. Whoa. Sprinkles, sprinkles are so fun. Sprinkles are for everyone. Yum! Okay, friends, look at this apple chocolate donut. I am going to take a bite. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. That is so good. And it's beautiful. You got your chocolate, your sprinkles, and your healthy apple. Yum, yum.
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Duck, why are you crying?
I don't know. I'm just feeling sad. I really don't even know why.
Oh, well, that's okay. We all feel that way sometimes, right? Yeah. Well, Duck, I do know this really fun song called Shoo Turkey. It might cheer you up.
Oh, okay, that does sound fun.
Okay, now, are we all ready to do the Shoo Turkey dance? Let's do it!
Okay, let's do it.
Little boys, little girls, did you go to the barn? Did you feed my turkeys? Did you get any eggs? Did you give them to your mama? Did she put them in bread? Did she give you some? Did my turkeys go? Which way did they 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 go? Can you help me find them? Come on, let's go. But first, when I say Shoo Turkey, we're gonna run around like turkeys. Come on, let's go. Shoo Turkey, shoo, shoo, Shoo Turkey, shoo, shoo, Shoo Turkey, shoo, shoo, Shoo Turkey, shoo, shoo. Oh no, where did all the turkeys go? Little boys, little girls, did you go to the barn? Did you feed my turkeys? Did you get any eggs? Did you give them to your mama? Did she put them in bread? Did she give you some? Did my turkeys go? Which way did they 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 go? Can you help me find them? Come on, let's go. Shoo Turkey, shoo, shoo, 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 Shoo Turkey, shoo, shoo. T is for turkey. This is an uppercase T. Let's write it. I'll use the pencil and you use your finger to write in the air. Follow along. Down the tower and across the roof. Let's try that one more time. Down the tower and across the roof. Yay! We did it! We wrote an uppercase T. Hi friends, welcome to Miss Julie's Vet Clinic. Today we have the most wonderful and sweet patient. It's Baby Horse. Hi Baby Horse. Nay, hello. So Baby Horse, we have a few things we have to do in today's checkup. First is we're gonna check your heart with my stethoscope. Okay, let's listen to your heart. Everyone real quiet. Boom, 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 boom. His heart sounds amazing. Okay, next, we're gonna check Baby Horse's temperature. Beep. Baby Horse, your temperature says 98.6. That's perfect. Okay, next, Baby Horse, I hate to tell you, but today you have to get a shot. Oh no. But I know shots are not fun and they do sometimes hurt, but the feeling does typically go away pretty quickly. Is there anything that I can do to make it easier for you? Yeah, hold my hand. Okay, friends, let's all pretend that we are holding the baby horse's hands. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Nay, that wasn't so bad. All right, baby horse, now the last thing we're gonna do is brush your hair. Friends, have you ever brushed a horse's hair before? Well, it's so fun because they're so soft and silky. All right, baby horse, thank you so much for coming to an appointment with me today. I loved getting to know you. Thanks, Miss Julie. You are such a good and nice horse, and I'm so glad that you are so healthy. Me too. All right. Well, I'll see you soon for your next appointment. Friends, it's nighttime at the barn. Look at all these farm animals. I see a horse, a cow, a goat, a pig, a lamb, and a chicken. Now, which of these animals is going into which barns? How might we figure this out? Do you notice anything about these animals? You're right, they have numbers on them. And do you notice anything about the barns? Yes, they also have numbers on them. So we have to match the animal's number to the barn number. Okay, who should we start with? How about this guy right in the middle? Hello, goat. Bah, I want to go to bed. Goat, what number is on your belly? The number 3. Goat, can you tell us which barn are you going into? This one? Bah, no. This one? Bah, no way. This one? Bah, that one's a pigsty. What about this one? Bah, yes, because the goat's number is the same as the barn's number. What number do you see? The number 3. Good night. Good night, goat. All right, who is next? How about Mrs. Cow? Moo. Now, Mrs. Cow, what number is on your belly? Friends, can you tell me? You're right. It's the number 2. Okay, now which barn is Miss Cow going into? This one? Moo. No. This one? Moo. Moo. Yes. Okay, Miss Cow, I think we found the right barn for you because I see a number 2 here and a number 2 there. Good night, cow. Good night. Okay, now how about we do our littlest animal? Which of these animals is the smallest one? You're right, it's the chicken. Okay, Miss Chicken, can you please tell us what number's on your belly? Number 6. Okay, so we know that it's not this barn with the number 6 on it. That's the number 1. It's not this one. This is the number 2 barn. Hello, Miss Cow. Now, is it this one? No, this is Goat's house. Okay. What about this one? No. This one? No. What about this one? This is it. Good night and good riddance. All right, good night, Miss Chicken. Sounds like she had a rough day. All right, who is next? Bah, me. Bah, me. All right, could you please tell us what number is on your belly? Number 5. Bah. Okay, which of these barns is showing us the number 5? Not this one. Bah. This one. Okay, good night. Bah, good night. Okay, now we have 2 animals left. Should we pick the pig to go to sleep first or the horse? All right, how about the pig? Pig, what number is on your belly? Oink, oink, oink. Number 4. Oink, oink, oink. And which of these barns is showing the number 4? Is it this one? Oink, oink, oink. No. This one? Oink, oink, oink. No way. This one? Oink, oink, oink. Oh yeah, this is my barn, because I've got the number 4 on my belly and the barn is showing the number 4 too. Okay, good night. Good night, Miss Pig. Last one. Hello, horse. Nay, hello. Horse. Now, I know we only have one barn left that we have not filled, so that makes it a little bit easier. But horse, tell us, what number is on your belly? Nay, number 1. Okay, horse, show us which barn is yours. Do 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 do. Good night. So number 1 here on the barn and number 1 on the horse's belly. Good night, horse. And now all of the animals are inside of their barns. Only one thing left to do. Let's sing them a lullaby. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I had so much fun learning with you today. You are awesome. Ooh, and don't forget to hit subscribe right now. And make sure to search for Miss Julie's World anytime on YouTube, Spotify, or Apple Music. Thanks for learning with me.